world and one of the most intact and preserved like Colosseums. So super excited. After that, going to Sousse. We have a hotel reservation there and gonna hit the beach again. We are on the way. Should take about 3.5 hours to get there. We've been in the shared taxi for about 10 minutes so far. It cost us 20, so about a little over $6 for a 3.5 hour taxi, so not too bad. So we made it to Jem, and it is a different world from Tunis. Incredible. Sam's grabbed on the GPS, just wanted to show you guys around the street where we just literally got dropped off. So gonna stop by and get some food somewhere. Looking for a restaurant, maybe some water, and then to the amphitheater.
Thank you.
Thank you, bro.
I love my country.
Yeah.
So we just paid 12 dinars, which is $4 a person, to enter into one of the most well-preserved Roman amphitheaters in the world.
Like parties in the middle. They have like maybe a little nice late.
How old do you think these handrails are? 1,000 years old? So old. Wow. Stop and need lunch. Amazing. Oh.
We climb again. Top. Like the shot up here at the sun. Let's go. But now that. That's why it stops down at the second one.
Slowly camel.
How many thousands of people?
This is where they kept the lions and the humans.
The lions.
Unfortunately.
Lots of lions and humans.
Pathetic. They could have easily crawled out this window.
There's a bigger one with the lions.
And they would be lifted up.
Engine
In that
shaft.
tiny hole? You fit?
Those bars.
Yes, you would.
So we're walking through underneath the amphitheater, and there's just like all the places where either like criminals, Christians,
Lions and tigers and bears.
you know, gladiators, anyone that is gonna be put up to fight or to die, or both, were chained in here. And you could see where like the pillars where they used to have the lion cages. Pretty wild. Sam was pointing it out to us. And then somewhere here would just be lifted up to fight and die.
I am imprisoning you down to the cellar. That's so violent.
Pictured as a wild boar,
No, I was gonna say that was my pig.
but it would have been.
Hey, nah.
It would have been. I'm saying humans, not you.
Oh yeah.
I'm a good citizen.
The gap here.
I pay my taxes.
The upper class over here is because this is quicker to evacuate in case of like a rebellious.
Yeah, big
revolution,
riot.
Riot. So we have the the lessers over
makes
here
sense.
and the upper
Yeah.
class over here.
Some things never
So-
change.
I would not want to get stung by one of those. Oh my gosh.
Really crawling all over your neck. I'm just kidding, babe. They're
No,
not
they're
on your
not gonna
back.
get you.
Look, they're not even close.
Wow. Definitely worth $4. Insane, actually. I mean, it's worth way more than that. That's a joke, but crazy. We just realized that our tickets also come with an admission to the museum that's about 1 kilometer away. So we are on the way. Here you just cross the street. Don't have to wait for any lights or go to a crosswalk because they're gonna just stop for you. We made it to the museum. Don't know much about it besides that there's a lot of mosaics here. And let's see what it says about Jem and the amphitheater. Wow.
medium one, a good-looking shepherd sleeping near a rock. That's how I want to be described. Good-looking. Tiny.
So tiny.
Like a lake.
Next to that rock.
Everything's tiny.
Look, it's me in the wild.
Long hair polo. Jesus, they really need them all very endowed.
Oh my god.
I mean, look. They're all just hanging out.
You're just hanging around. Okay, for real though. 2nd and 3rd century AD mosaics. Oh my gosh. Almost as big as that dude's schlong back there.
Chiseled for ages.
Riding a panther and spilling a glass of wine.
Oh yeah, I do that every Friday night.
Not a care in the world.
Oh my gosh, I was yawning.
Does history bore you? Sam saying exactly what I thought as soon as I walked out here. We are the only people here. It's so wild. And it's was pretty much free. I mean, $4. Wow. Look at this detail in this Roman. Oh my gosh. So all of these vans are called louages and they're shared taxis, and you pay between $3 and $6 to get wherever you need. Put on. So, yeah, the big old station here in Sousse. Now we are gonna catch a taxi to our hotel. Just gotta find one. Hot party. Apparently that's the museum. Walking to the hotel and stumbled upon a freep. You want some? Pardon? We are here.
Sousse Medina. We made it.
4 beds.
Ooh.
I'll take 2.
Sam will take 2. We made it. Beautiful little hotel.